Hi, I'm Zeena. Welcome to my wardrobe. We are in my wardrobe and I am having a declutter. I'm choosing some of my pre-loved pieces that I'm just not wearing anymore. This is a gorgeous dress that is actually just too big, and instead of keeping it in my wardrobe, I want to do my bit and donate to Give Up Clothes for Good. The TK Maxx campaign is absolutely amazing. It's such a brilliant initiative. You can take your pre-loved quality clothing down to any TK Maxx store in the UK, and what they will do is donate these pieces to cancer research shops in the UK. It's so difficult deciding what to give away because I absolutely love and treasure all of my clothes, but it's things that don't fit me anymore and that I'm just not going to wear. I've got some old pajamas, got a lovely linen summer dress. There's a dress I wore to a wedding in here a few years ago. All the money raised from donations will help fund research into children's and young people's cancers. The environmental impact has been astounding. TK Maxx have already collected 1.7 million bags of donations. That's 8,500 tons of clothing. It's so important to be conscious of sustainability and the environment. We've got to look after the world we're in. Oh God, it's so hard to get rid of anything. I'm an absolute hoarder. Every piece of clothing I own has a story. It's got some meaning behind it, whether it's, a dress that I've stitched and made myself, or whether it's something vintage, or whether it is a pair of dreamy silk pajamas that I just sleep really well in. Give Up Clothes for Good. What a brilliant campaign idea from TK Maxx. I'm really excited about it. It's going to encourage everybody to give their unwanted, pre-loved clothing a second home.